video I am going to show you how you can set up HTML email template in the Gmail. So here is my email, and this is the design, and I want to send it using my Gmail. So first of all, I have to open it with any text editor. For myself, I am using text editor. So this is the code. I have to select all of this code and then copy all the code. Then I will go to my Google Chrome, and you have to use an extensions name free HTML editor for Gmail by Cloud HQ. You will search it in the extension, or go to the HTML editor for gmail.com. You can install it from here also. I will provide these links to my video's description, so please check the description for getting this extension. And after installing this extension, you will get the extension here, and then you have to connect this extension with your Gmail, which one you want to use for the sending the HTML email. So I have already installed it, and it works with my one. Then I will go to the compose, as it is simple as it is like before how you do it. So click the compose, and I have on signature, so I will delete the signature, and I want to delete that signature first, because I don't want to send it with my personal signature. That's why I am deleting my signature and save these changes. Okay, then click now I want to click the compose, and this is the fresh. So here is one icon, that is edit as HTML. Then I have to click it here, edit as HTML. After click this one, I have to wait for a second, and it will open a new editor. So here is the new editor, and here is the right email. I have to clear all of these things, whatever it is here. Then I have to click in the source file. So I have to click in the source. So the editor, that source is blank. Then I have to paste all the text whatever I have uh, copied from the source file. So after pasting this one, the design is here as it is in my browser. Then I have to close the editor. So the design is here. You see, this one is perfect as it is my design. So for this one, I can edit with my text writer. So you can edit anything, you can add any words as you want. So I hope you understand what I mean. And then I would like to send it to my Gmail for testing it how it look like. And I am giving a subject name testing, and then I click to the send. So the message is sent. So let's go to my Gmail for checking this one how it look like. So my Gmail is opening, so the email is here. So let's open it. Yes, it is exactly what it is in my browser, and everything is working fine. You see the links and the text and everything. So this is very easy to send it any email with using Gmail. For this you have to just need an extension, its name free HTML editor for the Gmail, and it's provided by Cloud HQ. So thank you Cloud HQ for giving us a outstanding extension. And thank you you, the audience, my audience, for watching this video and supporting my channels. If you want to get more services from me, I have the services in my um, Fiverr. So I work as a freelancer. So you go to the fiverr.com/ Shahalom Kiran, then go to this services, and I have worked almost 1000 uh, projects. So you will get the services list from here. And thank you so much for watching this video, and stay with the wave, guys.